Have you ever plunged into the mystery of miracles? Have you ever interrogated the inexplicable events that take shape in our existence? Today, we commence a voyage to the core of Nepal, where Swargadwari Mahaprabhu's legacy glows as a lighthouse of belief and aspiration, creating miracles that reverberate through the passages of history. Our narrative commences in the twilight years of the 19th century. Swargadwari Mahaprabhu was born in the tranquil village of Runtigari, Rolpa, in 1875. This remarkable child distinguished himself from his contemporaries with his inherent spirituality, which drove him to devote numerous hours to meditation and introspection, not at his birthplace in Runtigari, Rolpa, but at a location that would later be known as Swargadwari. His devout commitment was so profound that he was bestowed with the title Mahaprabhu. Fast forward to the age of 20. Swargadwari Mahaprabhu was now a respected spiritual figure, yet his first miracle was yet to occur. It happened on a stormy night when a poor farmer's cow was stuck in a marshy field. Despite the farmer's desperate cries for help, no one dared venture out in the wild storm. Then, out of nowhere, Swargadwari Mahaprabhu emerged. With a single wave of his hand, the cow was lifted out of the marsh and onto dry land. The villagers watched in awe as the miracle unfolded before their eyes. The second miracle was even more astonishing. A deadly epidemic had struck the village. Many fell ill, and the villagers were terrified. Swargadwari Mahaprabhu, however, remained calm. He gathered the villagers and began to chant. His voice echoed through the silent village, and as if by magic the sick started to recover. The epidemic ended as abruptly as it had begun, leaving the villagers in disbelief. The third miracle occurred when a severe drought hit the village. The fields dried up and the villagers were on the brink of starvation. Swargadwari Mahaprabhu once again demonstrated his divine powers. He prayed for 3 days and 3 nights. On the 4th day, rain poured down, filling the fields and ending the drought. These miracles, however, were not just acts of divine intervention. They were manifestations of Swargadwari Mahaprabhu's deep faith and his unwavering belief in the power of the divine. His life serves as a testament to the power of faith, showing us that miracles can happen, even in the most dire of circumstances. To recap, Swargadwari Mahaprabhu, a spiritual leader born in 1875, performed 3 significant miracles that left an indelible mark on his village. His first miracle involved saving a farmer's cow during a storm. The second was ending a deadly epidemic through prayer. And the third was bringing rain to end a drought. These miracles were not just acts of divine intervention, but a demonstration of his unwavering faith. His life serves as a testament to the power of faith, showing us that miracles can happen even in the most desperate situations. Remember, miracles are not just extraordinary events that defy natural law. They are events that inspire us to believe in the power of the divine, to have faith even in the face of adversity. They remind us of the power of faith and the strength of the human spirit. So the next time you find yourself in a difficult situation, remember the story of Swargadwari Mahaprabhu and let his faith inspire you.